2022 Toyota Supra GR. Got the 3-liter 6-cylinder turbo on this thing. It's got the 340 engine in it. It's gonna sound sweet. It's gonna look good. It looks like a Supra. It's got carbon fiber everywhere. Got carbon fiber here, carbon fiber here, carbon fiber here. Pretty much everywhere. You look, you got carbon fiber front lip. Pretty sweet ride. Black and carbon. You can't really go wrong with it. We're slapping an HKS catback on there. It's a full 3-inch high flow wide pipe and a very efficient muffler in the back. HKS is known for making Japanese cars especially sound extra good. And look, more carbon fiber right here, carbon fiber wing. So yeah, we slapped the HKS on there. You got the tips, you got the 4.5-inch, 5-inch tips on there. I'm not even sure. Those look like 4.5-inch. They look pretty sweet. Blue burnt. I'm gonna crank it, rev it for you guys. Let me know what you think. So the stock Supra makes about 350 to 400 horsepower. With the HKS, should bump it about 10 to 15 more horsepower. Like I said, it's a very efficient 3-inch all the way through, high flow wide pipe, super efficient HKS technology muffler out the back, and it's got some sweet ass blue burn tips out the back. 4.5-inch, could be 5-inch. I didn't take the measurement, you know, so just a heads up. They're nice, they're bigger than the stock ones. It's all that matters, guys. Girls like the big tips, you know, so make sure you get really nice tips on your exhaust. So shout out to HKS. And then you got this guy. This guy just pulls up, likes to stun on everybody. He's like, oh, you got a Supra? Well, jerk off on your Supra. I'll shit on that. So that's Ryan Supra. Yeah.